Welcome students. In this lecture we will work with this button elements, and we will add some functionality and code for them. So we will have two buttons, one for adding and other for subtracting. So let's select one of them, go to Node tab in Inspector window. Signals need to be selected. Go to base button, pressed. This is signal when the button is pressed, and click connect. Here in a connect window everything is default set at right, so you don't need to change anything. Just click connect. We will get one function here for this button. The same thing you need to do for another button. So go to pressed, connect, and click again to connect. We will get two functions for working here. Pass command is needed because every function need to have some commands inside. Pass commands didn't work, didn't do anything, but function is workable. Now we will replace this with a functional body, so with a functional code. We will use our variable c for working. We need first to convert it back to integer. So we will use int command to convert it from a string to integer. You know, strings can be with letters or some other signs, and integers are usually numbers. And then we will increase this integer. We will increase, maybe we will not increase, just to see. Yes, it is increase. So button 1 is for increasing. Let me see again. This is button 2. This is button 2. Button 2 is decreasing. So we will write it something like this. This means decrease by 1. Decrease by 1. And then we again need to just copy paste this part. Again we need to convert it to string, and then also do copy paste, and then we will change the label content. We can copy all of these 4 lines here, but we only need to change this part to plus. And now let's go to testing. So we have some amount of this element. If we try to decrease it, we will use this sign. If you want to increase it, you will use this sign. 5, 6, 7. This is increase. Here, decrease. So we have functional code. Very good, very good. We will continue in a next lecture. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.